Swagbucks and Bingo Cash both let users earn rewards through mobile activities, but they work in completely different ways and are designed for different types of users. By the end, you'll know how Swagbucks and Bingo Cash compare, what each app focuses on, and which one fits your earning style better. Swagbucks is a rewards platform where users can earn points through activities like surveys, offers, shopping rewards, and other tasks. Bingo Cash focuses on bingo-style mobile games, where users play games and compete through the app's rewards system. The biggest difference is how you earn. With Swagbucks, your earnings come from completing different types of activities. This gives you multiple ways to earn instead of relying on one category. With Bingo Cash, your experience is centered around gameplay. If you enjoy playing bingo games and want rewards connected to gaming, this type of app may be more appealing. Swagbucks is usually better suited for users who prefer flexibility because you can choose between different earning options. Bingo Cash is better suited for users who mainly want a game-based experience and enjoy spending time playing. Before choosing either app, check how each one fits your routine. If you do not enjoy surveys, shopping offers, or reward tasks, Swagbucks may not feel as useful. If you do not enjoy competitive mobile games, Bingo Cash may not match your preferences. Another thing to compare is the reward process. Look at how each app explains earning requirements, available rewards, and any conditions before spending time completing activities. Read the rules inside each app before starting tasks because reward programs can have different requirements. Swagbucks gives you more variety in earning methods, while Bingo Cash focuses more on gaming-based rewards. The better choice depends on what you actually want from a reward app. Choose Swagbucks if you prefer completing different types of tasks and having multiple earning options. Choose Bingo Cash if you prefer a gaming experience and want rewards connected to playing bingo-style games. The main points are simple. Swagbucks offers multiple earning methods, Bingo Cash focuses on game-based rewards, and the right choice depends on whether you prefer tasks or gameplay. Open both apps, compare the available activities, and pick the one that matches how you want to spend your time. Subscribe for more reward app comparisons, earning app reviews, and money-saving guides, and like the video if this helped you decide between Swagbucks and Bingo Cash.